Hi, welcome back. So today we are going to mount a special upgrade for the van, not related to the conversion inside, but it's something underneath that will be helping driving this beast much better. And because it's always heavy, it needs some help. What I mean is that even though the build isn't finished yet, I already lost a lot of clearance on the back. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it. Let me show it from this side. So yes, as you can see, the back it's way lower than the front. It's not perfectly flat, this parking lot, but still the back it's way lower than it should be. So because of that, I just ordered the Sumosprings, which are those yellow things made of a special material that act as a spring. I'm not going deep into this because I may say wrong things, so you can look it up online. I can put the link here. There are instructions. There are 3 different colors. Each of one is made of 3 different density, and there is a spacer, which is this one, which is optional depending on how low it's your van. Pretty much good for any Fiat Ducato, Ram Pro Master, Peugeot Boxer, Citroen Jumper, even Opel Movaro, Nissan NV400, don't know, Vauxhall Movano, I don't know those. But yeah, very clear instruction on how to mount it. They say to start with option 1, which is without the spacer, and then see the result. If you are still low, you can add the spacer to just to gain like how much is, I don't know, like 2 centimeters more. So should be easy. There are all the hardware needed and thread lock here. So I just need to move the van on a flat surface, bring out the jack, lift it up and see if it's easy to remove the original stop bump. Let's move the van.
A few moments later.
Okay, so just for reference, I'm on a flat parking lot and this is the situation. I'm gonna confront this with the after, you know. As you can see, the original rubber stops are kind of not in a good shape, I would say. So I need to remove this and then install the Sumospring. Okay, so let me see if I can. Oh wow, completely broken. It's going in pieces. Look at this. Wow. Okay. So now the problem is, how do I make this thing to rotate? going. It's been like a 20 minutes. Okay, so this little bastard took me like 20 minutes to remove, just because this bolt, it's a little bit rusty and old, you know. The problem is you need to be careful to not break it, otherwise you're in big trouble. Okay, so this is the original one, this is the Sumospring. Okay, so of course this is useless and this should be do its job flawlessly. Spring plus stopper. Let me see if I can fit everything, or I need to lift up. Okay, so no, definitely it's not gonna fit. Oh, come on. Shit. Okay. Oh, come on. Okay, guys, so now both of the wheels are lifted up from the ground. I used the original jack, so if I don't have the clearance now, I don't know what to do. I still don't have it. Damn it! Let me try again. This, because now I don't have the weight of the van on top of it. Don't need too much, you know, just a bit, like this. Oh, let me see. Oh, finally. So I can screw it in, but I cannot remove the key. How do they? I mean, come on. The instruction doesn't say anything about this, you know? How? So, guys, I'm having trouble installing this thing because I cannot fit, you know, the tool underneath and then take it out. I really don't know how I'm supposed to do it. I watch many YouTube videos and all of them they use the spacer, because like that now they bolted tight inside and I can just screw it by hand like this, you know. Let's see if I can do it like that, you know. I think I got it. Oh, okay. Okay. Finally. It's been really hard. I'm not gonna lie to you. Probably because the van is a little bit old, you know. But when it's done, I'm not gonna bother you with the footage of me struggling with another one. So yeah, we'll see in a minute, hopefully. Okay guys, so here we are with everything mounted. Both of the Sumosprings are mounted. Now I'm gonna lower the two jacks and see the results. Okay, so as you can see, we are loaded. Everything looks good. I already can see a huge difference, and let's check with the same angle as before. What do you think? I think it's perfect. Now the front and the rear are almost the same, actually a little bit higher on the back, maybe because I used the spacers, but that's okay because the van is not finished yet, so there is a lot of weight that is going to be on the van when it's finished compared to now, so probably at the end will be just perfect. Okay, now let me just put everything away and move the van back in my parking spot over there. Done. It took more than expected, especially the first one. The second one went a little bit smoother because I spray a little bit of WD-40 before screwing down the old one, and the rubber wasn't broken. This one is the second one, so I've been able to take it out, just wiggling before unscrewing the actual metal plate, so that was a little bit easier this way, but yeah, it is what it is, you know. I drive a little bit before parking here. I already feel some difference. I don't know, I need to drive a lot more than that to be able to tell the difference, but for sure now it's higher, it's a little bit stiffer, and but it doesn't bounce. That's what I felt. So I hope you find this helpful some way, and see you in the next video. Bye. Let's go. I need to take a big, you know, those plumber thing. Okay. Ma culo. Puttana merda. Ah. Porco dio, puttana merda. Barack. Puttana merda. I still need to find the thread here, which is not simple as saying it. Come on. Again, for the I don't know how many times I tried this. Hopefully it's the last time I'm doing this shit on this side at least. Okay guys, well, it's been a long job. Done.